Alright, I'm going to be working on a welding table, fabbing up a welding table for myself this weekend. And I got these two pieces of plate steel here, and I'm trying to clean up the edges some. I got them from a guy who plasma cut them for me. But like I said, I'm going to take a break from cleaning this up, and I'm going to work on making a adapter plate so I can attach a bolt to this Harbor Freight caster so I can make my welding table mobile. So I got this 2-inch flat bar I'm going to cut and weld the plate onto here. Have the bolt welded to the plate. Alright, this bolt turned out much better than the nuts. Okay, so I got that so I can adjust the height of this caster. I know you can buy casters that already have a bolt on them, but they didn't have what I wanted, so I made my own here. It'll work out just fine. So probably later today or tomorrow I'll work on the table some. This is what they'll go on. This is what is going to go on the welding table, so I can roll it around out here. All right. Thank you for watching, and if you would, please subscribe and support your small YouTuber.